Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambo lunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream Dala Cream ufuna ukwenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi mpaba wami. I'm not alone. I'm with my brother Musa, the #1 protector. Bafethu, Sechos. And it's Kimberly King. So we've been following this couple. Challenge. We've been. Like I think they are closing Iskela, so Sebechola had. So I think we're on the right streets. Let's go, Musa. I think we are on the right streets for us to take a motor and Kapitizela Fana me. King Ginger Cream Dala Cream CMTV twana se Kings bafethu le ungakhohlwa fethu and ungakhohlwa ukuthi ungifollow fethu at King Ginger_SA. Let's do it. Hey yo, boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambo lunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi. Sanmone? Hi guys. Hi Ninjan.
How are you?
That's me ngala Ninjan. Ni right?
Yeah.
Sepil. No, so mina igama lami ngo King Ginger. I do a YouTube show. Ngambe ngibuza abantu ukuthi are they dating? Are you guys dating?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. No. So I ask simple questions just so that we can do experiment to the people at home, you understand? So ukuthi mhlambe ngiqale nini ukudate and yini into enithandayo about each other. You don't mind if I ask?
Yeah, no.
That's mine.
Really.
Oh, unanking.
Yo.
Hey, awuthambe sengizwa ngathi si Mara, why Mara? That's not right, man. So ubani igama lakho from?
Tomo.
Yeah. All right. Where are you from?
Middlelands.
And then you, my brother?
Tulan.
I accept a face about T. Everybody say T. My name is Timbal. T. Number 2.
Mo.
Pet 2.
Lan.
Setuneni. Ngoma ngizobafaka tuneni. Ngiyadala face. Ni right ni relevant ngenza bese uqale nini mfethu ukusanana nomuntu wakho?
Since now 1 year 2 months.
1 year 2 months. Fucked up, my brother.
Yeah.
Yini into oyithandayo mfethu ngomuntu wakho mfethu?
Uyangijabulisa ungiphatha sharp bro.
My brother. So wena siswami yini into oyithandayo ngomuntu wakho?
No, he's a genuine person and he's sweet. Yeah.
Serious? How? Hey, Zakala.
Yeah, that's an honor.
All right, guys, sorry about that. We had to move, as you all know, these places. Abafuni ukuthi Cream Dala Cream. Atsabantu abaveze leyo mpahla leyo. So, guys, thank you so much for ukuthi nize nami lana. I was asking ukuthi mfethu, what is it that you love about umamazi mfethu?
Yonke into ngayo vele uyangijabulisa yabo.
Yakujabulisa mfethu.
Yeah, the way angiphatha ngakhona nje right for me.
So nje wathi wena mfethu umbona wabona ukuthi nangu umuntu ozokujabulisa.
Angathi uwe lo same time. Oh.
Shit. It's Kimberly King, my brother. So how do you feel mama sabuki. Hey, amasabuka ngisekulokuyilezi. Hey, when you like them tall, eh? All right. So what is it that you love about Umchitag?
As you said, I like them tall. And yeah, like he literally caught my eye and he makes me happy.
That's sweet. So when I rata happiness.
Happiness over everything, whole season.
Utsandi T. My face, I've got the triple T's, yeah, because nami igama lami sengizoba uthing changer so that I can match the T's to the TT. So I want to know from you, my brother, do you trust umuntu wakho njengoba lishambula enjena because kilikiribe muntu?
Ngiyamthemba.
Yeah. So igrape lakho le grape of your heart.
Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyangibhayizisa.
Angeke ne? Mama angeke umbhayizisa ngithi. when uyamthemba ne?
Yeah, I do.
You do. I know. Hey Musa, hey, that's a dialogue. When I talk about pure love, bafethu, I'm talking about something like this. Uyambona emehlweni akho umamazi ukuthi yazini mfethu. Biblically nguthando mfethu, it's bananas. So do you trust him?
Yeah, I do trust him.
Out of
With my
100?
all.
With your all?
Yeah.
Power to that.
Take the scale.
Washa, scale down, my brother. When mfethu, do you trust him?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba.
Out of 100?
100.
Bafethu ziyakhala. So let me not keep you waiting, bafethu, because you guys were moving and I can see you would say, ngathi vele niyendlini niyoba right, niyoba relevant. Inganti na, awusahleki, angithi right. I guessed right.
We can pass that.
Pass. Smash or pass? Pass. All right. So, kunento esenzayo, it's called loyalty test. I-loyalty test njengoba uthi uyamthemba. It's whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. Unike ipartner yakho your phone ukuthi ayi-check for 60 seconds ukuthi ufletha nobani on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and all of these other platforms. Angithi nithi niyathembana. Wangibheka buhlungu kanje sister.
Is that even necessary though?
No, angithi uthi uyamthemba naye uthi uyakuthemba. Ngithi wena uyazithemba wena.
Yeah.
Are you clean, right? Now you clean angithi. So ni clean no too.
Yeah.
Asiboneni ubuclean benu ke. Let's see the cleanliness.
My
Ungayikami. Don't go now with some. Yeah, I'm a phone notes was ucala kumina ngithi and then we righty. All right, cool guys. Ngiphethe ama phone notes umamazi widonsa endaweni. Right, Musa. All right guys, it's about that time. Kapho switching phones uyamthanda ngithi. Ngicela umake. You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug. All right. Nice one. I love it. No. I love it. So I have a famous question. It's time for what? The famous question. Time for what?
I don't know.
The famous question. Now, it's time for?
The famous question.
The famous question. He said it, bafethu. I have the famous question. Mama, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good too. So, can I come inside?
Come inside. What do you mean? My phone. What?
Swal. No, you can't.
I can't. Why?
Because I'm the only one allowed to come inside.
But I just want to come inside here.
Oh.
And then we can make couple switching phones. Okay. So are you gonna? So what do we?
It's pretty obvious. Nah, let's jump it.
So you guys think in the clean street like this, me I will just drop my and then drop my and then So you thought
Asiye puti.
Umkondo wako ubonile. Hey Nina. All right, cool guys. They didn't get the come inside, but thank you so much for allowing me to come inside. The come inside I was talking about is this one. So, angazi siswami. All right, angithi.
Yeah.
Yini ngathi uyayidoubt switching phone? Are we doubting it? All right, asicale ngoBrothers ne?
Yeah.
So thina ngawe ne? All right. Naye ka Brothers angithi.
Yeah.
Simcheck. Cela usivulele futhi.
Ayina pin.
Ayina pin. Okay, ngithi.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, ne? Right. All right, guys. It's about that time. Couple switching. Whoa. I will tell you to start. It's about that time. Couple switching phones. Mtanami. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. Okay? Can I please get the chant, this, my brother, before I begin the ging. Can I get that? Zoom. I love you guys and thank you so much for pushing the zoom to be where it is now. Sure, ufungele lana efonini. Uye kungibheka straight wena nanga umshita wakho.
Okay.
Hayi njami ngiyamqondisa ngithi uyangezwa. Ngiyamqondisa because ungibuka emehlweni angibhayizisa manje. Wo, siku WhatsApp bafethu. And then can you please type for me I love you?
Okay.
Awujoli nina Zam.
Yeah, mina ngikrela ngijula.
It's me.
How do you feel?
Happy.
Okay, delete I love you and please type for me. I'm outside. We wanna know.
No one.
Shit. All right, so delete I'm outside and type I miss you and put a heart on it. Yeah. Jayan. Ubarata ka di heart, eh?
Got the heart.
Kari heart.
It's me and the mother.
And the mother. The mother. Love it. How do you feel, man? Like it looks promising, you can see.
Yeah, it is.
It is. All right, can you type for me? Delete that one and type for me sex. I want to know if you guys talk about sex though?
He's my gent. Why not?
All right. Me.
Again.
Can I come in the Mimi and see the sexy conversation? Oh, sorry. Delete. All right, mfethu ku WhatsApp wakho siyakubona ukuthi ngathi uhamba smooth. Ngicela singene Facebook. I won't ask for Instagram. He's using the Mobi Sebi, so ayingeni. It's not me, it's the phone, guys. Ngicela ungene ku Facebook lapho. We're on Facebook right now and we're going to be diving in on messengers. And please type for me there on the search button. I love you. Nothing? No results?
Yeah.
Awubuyi bona ku Facebook ne? Arra misura.
No one.
Auri. It was nice seeing you. Why you take a Jayab? Always. No results. Okay, delete. Asiphume lana ngena kuma messages la utype uthi I love you futhi. Yeah, nje manje sesenzele kuba sure ngithi.
Yeah, make her sure.
Make her sure. Yeah. Now sisaba ngithi naso make her sure even yes. How do you feel?
I'm proud of him for not cheating.
You know some trust.
Sometimes, I mean, he's good looking, so
Yeah.
who wouldn't want this?
No, that's true, man. That's true. I am. I win to and umuntu wakho proud, excited and very very happy. Ngibhekana emehlweni kanje. Yefethu, njalo nomuntu uhlalisele ukudla ngehlo nje kanje yefethu. Ah, that's sweet and she's short mfethu. Uvela kubukelana mfethu. No, how do you feel mfethu ukubona mfethu ukuthi wena nomuntu wakho ibhandeleni usa fresh vele? How do you keep your pants up, bro? How do you do that? Advise the kids at home there.
Nah, lutho ngivele nje ngibe I just be myself.
And you focus on her only.
Phela yabo.
Bafanas, they're at home. Palana manotes, Bafanas, you need to focus. But my brother, on that point of focusing, right now, so check if only ako mamas and get sound and Musa? Vula? Open. So something there, man.
I can't.
You can't what?
You're invading my privacy.
I mean, invading your privacy kanjani kodwa kade check ifone umuntu wakho.
Yeah, it was his
Yeah.
choice.
Eh?
It was his choice.
No, mfethu ayabona mfethu ke. Ngizotshela umusa kubambeke mfethu.
Why do you want to invade in my privacy, though?
No, mfethu khuluma nomuntu wakho mfethu nawe uyicheckile phone yakhe. Yambona when how do you feel? Uyambona ukuthi uyayibonakaliso. Shuthi wena sisami yajola ke.
No.
My wayona ke.
My privacy. My phone, my privacy.
Mara kera kuyicheckile.
It was your choice.
But now you made a choice.
Yeah, but
Sisami yajola.
with him, yeah.
Ukhona omunye umuntu omfihlayo.
No.
Bayakushayela lapha efonini. Mabekushayela we gonna get away with it. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, mara ke tlo isheba le lona le sheba.
Yeah, ibule ge. We don't do that on this show. Musa, please come this side. We don't do that on this show. No, this is my show. It's my rules. Wena utla kana no yana ritla check up phone chwara mzala. Yeah.
We checka yaka. Ke show ya gao mara ke phone yaka.
Ko show nyaka.
Okay, kopa phone yaka.
Wena go uskatsho ko show nyaka because wena ko uska check up ile out yaka. Wena ko show nyaka akere wena u checkile phone ya out ya gago.
Okay, mara akere ke your show, your rules.
Yes.
My phone, my rules.
Siswampela you yeah.
Wow, liso. Wetsurukuta uthini okay kan.
Okay.
Yeah. Why wenza kanje umuhle kanje kade ngithi umuhle wena kanti manje usuzoba mubi ke njalo.
Mara, okay, this is what I want to say ne before you dig inside ne. whatever you saw it with your eyes, with your own choice. Nakite akebat, and you insisted. So yeah.
Yeah, nakubona ke.
Njaka what shit. Oh sorry Brian. Sorry mfethu. No, snap sihle nje. Almost. Okay. All right, guys, we are on WhatsApp. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry, I'm lost concentration a little bit there. We are on WhatsApp right now, and we are about to set the shoulders. Type for me, I love you. Sister, man, why wenza kanje? Why you cheatela le out isweet kanje? Ma ukuthi uyayicheatela cause
Neo, Neo.
Washa.
Neo's my friend.
Wamushimani.
Yeah, I have guy friends. I'm allowed to, right?
So uthi I love you kuneo.
Yeah, as a friend.
Really happy.
He's my friend.
Is it only Neo there, pra check?
Yeah, only.
So mfethu uyibuzele mfethu because uyabona. Funda i-conversation lana ubabona bathathandana laba mfethu. Akekho umuntu ongavela athi I love you aqede lapho as a friend. Funda le wow. Matsogo. Agago.
Awunsi serious wena. Awunsi serious ke ngilothi. Umpulitsor mabantu abuluko he. Nona Neo no.
Nah.
Akho nje
So
mfethu.
nona le nakimo itapo le kohlakana ke.
Azanke mone, ngikile control.
Mara ke itse wa nudi setup.
Re setapile mara I didn't go.
So wena o ratana le Neo o ratana le Thibo kai. O rata mang ntle ka re choose ge o ka choose mang.
My
Because o mo choose limo.
No, because I choose him.
And then Neo yena letsang le yena o Neo la jana hela and then this one ke him. He's the one.
He's always been the one. It's just that
So Neo ke side nigga Neo.
Letsang wona Neo.
Kind of a fling. Mara, it's not serious.
Wow. Sister, uthe uyamthanda ngithi wamurata mara.
I do.
Joang ke no utshur my akusatisfy ka tsela yo.
No, it's not that I'm satisfied, but Lwana Mona Neo.
Ujwang.
He's got the body, he's you
But
know.
you chose him. You are choosing him even
Yeah,
now.
but he looks much better than him. I say personally in public.
Ai. Ikade nibambene ngezandla lana nina. Awuthama uthi
Ngitsa paro.
yeah.
Ngitsa paro no. Ubona style afile.
Not my words, your words.
Utshur vele ubona style.
Kwena okunjalo. That's not what I said.
Yeah, bro.
So awuthaka uzochubeka nalomntana lona njengoba umbona ukuthi ukwenzela kanje ukwenzela ama fat and cent and when ukufebela ngoNeo wena uzochubeka ke umbona ukuthi kuyakujolela vele.
Ngalo ngiyamfrustana bro mara lo. Ungidlela isikhathi lo. Sure kwestana kwakho ka wena.
Mara, you should have also told your cousin Neo not to be digging around your stuff.
Shit.
So when umutlogela Neo as your cousin, how do you feel?
Wena kanti ucafa gore ba utwana vele bukidi chomi.
Yazi uthi uNeo
Uyaringa naye.
Bayaringa.
And you allowed that.
Wena how did you allow that wena ke wazi kahle ukuthi
How? I thought this was going to be obvious. Mona Neo, and I've told him several times that Neo might be a threat, but he chose to let us continue conversating. So
Kyautse pomos.
my bad.
Lo muntu akasolo usola yazi.
awuthama uthini ke njengoba umbona mfethu ukuthi so wena siswami ubathanda boyi2 so wena awuthama ngathi ngcono nibe isithembu kube uwe uNeo cousin wakho and then bese kuba uyo ngazama ukuchubeka naye.
Mina ngisha ibhuta. Angishaya ne.
I like the sound of that.
How sister why kanti umenza kanje mfethu? Why kanti yini khona into ongakakwenza yona why uliso mfethu?
He doesn't give me enough time.
Enough time how? Have you told him that? Ngika iPhone yakhe mfethu because thathe mfethu siswami or check futhi mhlawumbe kusazovela bothaba.
Ke le boni thabo ke mang khona le Neo le boni.
So sister no rata mang Neo li demand.
Tulani.
Mara ki
Attention matters. Love alone is not enough.
My why no samples ge. Ke tlo tsebela kae no samples.
Did you ever give me the time to?
Ke yena kono yana la bua la tama.
Now exactly. Now that he's seeing cameras and people, he wants me to talk about it. I'm sorry, I can't.
Ha wena sister ka rona le ditori man.
What stories? Why are
We are cheating. Okay, are you apologizing for what you're doing to him? Because you are hurting him.
Now that he knows, babe, sorry.
Sorry, fela so. O ya ke catch up, ba tsamaya right no.
Akitsi, whatever that makes you happy. Mara nna ke hlokane le wena. And lona ha o hlokane le nna. We're going to sort the Neo issue out.
Neo ko hai. Ke msebenzi wang no.
Exactly, wena o mo shebe yang. A ke dule le yena, a ke phele le yena, so a ke tsebe.
Mara wena sister ungadayisa ikhekhe kuNeo. uNeo wasedladleni. Why utbayisa i-arch endlini?
How why? What we do mate lona itsasegile and it was nice.
Mfethu ayinene mina nabaye. Awuthi mfethu bengizama ukukusiza mina. I was trying to open your eyes mfethu ukuthi ubone ukuthi lo uyakufebela and lo ukufebela noNeo. uNeo ukhazini wakho. Wena shuthi ukhazini wakho uyakudlela ukhazini wakho wena shuthi akakuboni. Awuthi now wake up mfethu. Kanti wena yini umbabazini umamazi. Now sister now you are cheating man.
Sorry babe.
Sorry fela. One try. No one try la phela.
Yeah.
Okay, getting.
Awuthi advantage.
Uzoqhubeka naye njengoba ekujwayela kanje.
Lo
mtshele mfethu, mtshele.
No,
mtshele uthi awusamfuni mfethu.
Ke grand ka wena.
Jwang,
no, awumuboni sister. Usikama ujwara awumuboni.
Jwang.
Why wenza kanje?
I'm apologizing. Okay, I delete Neo, okay.
Remtilta no ka.
Yeah, can we call Neo and sort this out? If ni re sa tlhakana le batho ba na never umothole. And I was also going to get fed up maybe someday, sometime. Neo, not you. Can't think you want to when I get.
What is it Neo Vusi?
Kiteng umoni uyang.
Wa se tubigile na
yeah. Because yeah.
Jwang.
Right.
Ke shetsi kwa na ke Neo.
Mara wena jwa ke Neo.
Anke jelena.
Mara ena utshwantse gore ka ba o jwa ke yena le one.
But he's always not around. So Neo is there. Neo is there.
So mfethu wena mfethu
every time.
Ukhazini wakho yakungenela. Ukudlela umuntu wakho.
Esinawunga isho kanjalo.
Ikuthi kanjalo awuthi and shuthe lo muntu makavakashe kini azobona wena usuke ngazile kuwena exactly usuke ezoshaya uNeo shuthe yini awuthi mayisho vini grand sister no awuthi mfethu it's your decision shuthe njalo shuthe awusho.
No, it's not like that. I'm saying I'm doing things with Neo when you're not around, but when you're there I respect you enough to be with you, baba. So yeah.
Akuphethe lo mntwana.
Why Neo?
Why Neo?
But wala bangata so.
He's got the looks.
Kirwa ko high.
Why? Kitse kolona le bebantle kaofela. Did I say you all must be ami kaofela? Don't make me say things that I don't want to say. Don't make me say things that no, I don't want to. Don't push.
Awuthi mfethu ku right ke mfethu ngicela ukuthi ni decide nina mfethu. But uzoqhubeka naye noma uzokwenza njani nginiyeke mina.
Cutting off Neo and we continuing. You are not answering his question. We are continuing. I don't
Kanti sister why ungifake endabeni zenu mina?
Because you are also being the part of it, Mos.
I'm not being part of it. I'm trying to help you guys. Ditaba tsa lona.
Jwang, helping us go retlhokane.
Ale hlukane ke batla go bula matlo gore wena sister wena.
Okay, his eyes are wide open now. Wabokia.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
yeah, wa bona kere. Yeah, and ke go bontshe nnete akere. Wena awuthami lo mntana lo ukuphethe and wena uyamsaba and uyamthanda. Qhubekani nithandane. Qhubekani. No, it's fine.
Siyayeka lento. Mina if
we can kick Neo out. We can erase him and
utshelwa uye cabanga phela.
Every time, okay, reassurance our child.
Sister ubani cherry kule relationship?
Me.
But behave ngathi wena out yazi. Because wena ngathi ukhola ama shots uyamtshela uthi anihlukani uyamtshela njengamanje ukuthi yena kadilithi uNeo ufako uwe.
Umuntu wamang kwa rona or kwaka.
Hayi kwagago.
Exactly. So I can tell him what I want him to do with me. It's his choice and his decision to listen to me, not you. Because I'm moya or fail.
Na moya fail.
Yeah, because you're pushing him to break up with me. He's my man. What did I say to you now? We can delete Neo and be together.
Good choice.
Yeah. Kante, what do you want? What do you want? I never.
Imagine wakukopa.
I never. I get hope. After all that we've been through, the fights, everything, and then you leave me for Neo. We are fixing this.
You're the one who left him for Neo.
No, I didn't leave him. We're still together. What are you saying?
But you're still fucking with Neo. Come on.
It's like when last?
When last to wena.
It's
What's about Ma?
it's been a while.
Mabani. It's been a
No.
while. No, no, Mabani.
I was not with Neo. You only saw the conversation and then Utlaka conclusion.
Mo ya kana kere.
Oh.
Na putsuru ko
We are fixing the Neo issue. We are cutting him off.
Yo. Yabona
Utlonthola kumnako kolona every day. Akigope.
yo. Yabo kujola nabantwana abahlakaniphile. Kingiyo lena. Awuthi mfethu uyibonele mfethu ngicela nilungise indaba zenu makuthi nizoyilungisa isisindedele bafethu because I was trying to help you but at least I opened your eyes. You know very well what is Mamazi doing behind your back. And please my brother be careful because ukazini wakho mfethu shuthi usengakuthelela naneshevu. Shuthi lo mntana izinto mfethu. King Changer Cream sister ngangilokuzani how. King Changer Cream de la Cream intwana seKings bafethu. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. Hey yo boom bafethu. This is CMTV. My name is King Changer Cream de la Cream. Intwana seKings, do not forget to subscribe at King Changer. Hi boss, I said King Changer. Do not forget to subscribe at CMTV SA and do not forget to follow your boy at King Changer _SA. Sise intabeni into esenza usiya trenda and into esazoyi emva kwalokho. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Changer Cream de la Cream intwana yaseKings bathi umtimandi umabuye ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana Na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Changer ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.